How to get rich from the recession. Can you believe that the best time to maximize your wealth is during the recession? Well, believe it or not, that's what most experts say, and we are not surprised about it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fancy Investor channel. Today I'm going to talk you all through how to make money and get rich during a recession. So if you're ready to change your life and want to learn proven strategies to maximize your wealth, then sit back, grab a snack, and let's get into this knowledge. Watch until the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Before we begin, let's take a look at what is a recession. When the GDP of your country falls for consecutive quarters, then your country is said to be going through a recession. But what does it actually mean for your money? And why do people get scared during a recession? Well, with a recession, the value of your money and your employment are at risk. But if you look for long-term benefits, then investing with the right techniques and at the right time can save you from drowning in the sea of the recession. But of course, not everyone knows that, and this video has got you covered on everything. So here's the breakdown of all the tricks and techniques to maximize your wealth in a recession. Open CDs. Now, if you open a certificate of deposit, then you can save your money from devaluation. But that's not it, as you will also be receiving interest on your money. And the best part is that you only need $500 to open your account. Isn't that great? Here's our tip to make this process more worthwhile. Try to keep your money in 6-month CDs, so you'll not be able to touch your money for 6 months, and after that, you can use the money to open a CD in a bank which offers much higher bank rates. Thank us later. Invest. If you have enough money set aside to buy stocks, then a recession is a great time to do so. Here's why. The stock prices are already low and you can consider them discounted. You can buy these stocks and other valuables at a cheaper price and sell them later for higher prices in the future, when the economy is back in the game. But of course, you never know if the investment will turn out to be a fruitful one or not. So don't think twice before hearing a financial advisor for advice on how to make investments and how to make good money doing them. Buy silver and gold. While you're never sure about bonds or mutual funds of a company, as a recession might take a hit on that company, you can always rely on precious metals in this case, and silver can never do you wrong. Gold is pretty expensive to buy, so you can start with silver, but make sure that you buy it at the spot price, which is also known as the current price. The metal prices always go up, as a recession has little to nothing to do with them. So do your homework good when finding the right precious metals dealers. Like this video so far? Then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Now, let's dive back in. The dollar cost average method. When the market goes through a recession, you never know when the next recession will come again. Remember that with every recession, there is a recovery too, and that's where you're gonna make your profit. So when you see all the sell-offs in the market, then know that a recession is about to come. And just like that, it's a perfect time for you to invest by using the dollar cost averaging method. So basically, investing a fixed amount of money in the same fund or stock at regular intervals is known as the dollar cost averaging method. So the cost of the dollar you spent while buying the share will remain the same no matter what happens in the market. Let's suppose that you invest $1,000 a month to buy 20 shares that are being sold for $25. So if the share price drops to $20, then you will end up buying 25 shares. So when the prices rebound, you'll be able to buy fewer shares, but whatever the case will be, your current share price will always be higher than your cost basis. But of course, this method works the best for long-term investors. Invest in real estate. You will be amazed to know that almost all of the money in real estate is made during a recession. So you buy the property for a cheap price and sell it at a higher price when the market is booming. But of course, you have to wait for the right time. Running a rental property business is always an option to get your feet wet. Which method did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon so you don't miss anything. This is the Fancy Investor channel. Thanks for watching.